Good morning, students. Welcome back to the online classes of KVD Academy. Myself Kisa sir, as your social science teacher. Today I am going to discuss about the first chapter of history, lesson 1. Topic is when, where and how. If you ask this question, when, where and how, this chapter is very important in terms of history, because when give us actual detail where the things is happen, where is give a actual location, and how give you the location and contrast that what things is happen. Suppose Ashoka rule in when, where, in which period, in where and how they rule, how the Ashoka kingdom rule, how the Delhi Sultanate rule, how the Mughal Empire rule. Is when, where and how give you is accurate answer of the proper question. If you ask a question, it give you proper answer of when, where and how. The medieval period. This is, our history divided into ancient, medieval and moderns. In ancient history, we read at class 6 about the ancient time, about the early men, what is their occupation, how they lived, about Indus civilizations, about Mohenjo-daro, about Lothal. And in medieval period, second one is medieval period. We discuss about the king and kingdoms, how they rule, how the Delhi Sultanate rule, how the Tughlaq dynasty rules, how the Mughal Empire rules. We should discuss about this medieval history. And in modern history, in class 8, you read in modern history about the emergence of British rule in India and how they ruled about from 1600 to 1947. So actually we get from this medieval period. Here in the medieval period in Europe is lasted between 600 and 1400 CE. Means the medieval period started in Europe between 600 and 1400 CE. CE means Common Era. And the medieval period in India extended from 700 to 1700 CE. Means in Europe the medieval period is considered from 600 and 1400 CE, and in medieval period in India extended from 700 to 1700 CE. It is a further subdivided into the early medieval period 700 to 200 CE, and second one and the later one between 200 to 700 CE. This medieval history they give the actual deadlines that happened in 600 to 1400 CE happened in Europe and India from 700 to 700 CE, and further it is two different early and later. In early medieval it is considered from 700 to 200 CE, and in later medieval period it was 200 to 700 CE. And this now we will discuss about the importance of medieval period. What is the importance of medieval period? From the beginning to till age, many things were happening in this period according to the basis of social, cultural and economic conditions. That's why in the medieval period you see how the Rajput rules, how the Jats were ruled, how the Sikhs were ruled, how all the kingdoms come into existence. We should discuss about in this medieval period. It is very important because it is a turning point in the Indian history, because in the Delhi Sultanate and after the Delhi Sultanate, the last first battle of Panipat fought between 1526 between Babur and Ibrahim Lodi, where this period give us when in medieval period how the medieval period it give us the actual location and the rule of the kingdoms, how the Ashoka ruled, how the Chandragupta Maurya rules, how the Gupta age is considered known as golden age. We should discuss from this medieval periods. How the Delhi Sultanate emergences, how the Khalji dynasty established, how the Tughlaq dynasty established, how the Sayyid brother founded their kingdoms, how the Mughal empires established their kingdom, how the British come in India from 1600 AD. This we should discuss about in these medieval periods. In the medieval periods, you see the Rajputs. They consider they come from solar families or lunar families. They consider. And these Rajput rules, there are many kingdoms like Gujjar, Patiharas and also rules. Chola kingdoms come. How the Chola kingdom rules, how they built their empire here, how the Rashtrakuta rules, how the Gujjar Patihara rules, how from the one taking from Kannauj. Kannauj is the main area at the time. The three-party struggle occurred in Kannauj between Chola, Gujjar Patiharas and Rashtrakuta. They fight for the capture of this Kannauj. We should discuss, only we get from this region from the medieval periods. And in 1526 region, 1526, first battle of Panipat between Babur and Ibrahim Lodi, and this is one of the main points where we should discuss how the Babur founded the Mughal Empire in India. And also in 1756, 1775 or so, this is all for 1700 AD, how the Aurangzeb came, how they discussed. This war in 1757, you know, in 1757, first battle of Plassey Fort, because Sirajudullah and Robert Clive for the capturing of Bengals. And also in 1764, the battle of Buxar were forts. The first battle of Panipat also fought, second battle of Panipat, third battle of Panipat. In the first battle of Panipat in 1526, between Babur and Ibrahim Lodi, Babur considered victory, and the second battle of Panipat in 1556. It was fought between Babur, it was fought between Akbar and Hemu, when Akbar considered victory, and the third battle of Panipat was fought in 1761 between Marathas and Ahmed Abdali, where Maratha considers the victory. All the things we should only get from this medieval period. So in India, the medieval period lasted from 700 to 700 CE, and from there, and it is also divided into two parts: early and medievals. And early is considered from 700 to 1200 CE, and the middle is considered from 200 to 1700 CE. CE means Common Era. So this chapter from lesson 1 topic is when, where, and how. This is video period, and this is part 1 of today's video. Is only part 1. So each chapter is very much lengthy also. I take short times, slowly I can progress to the other chapter, other points slowly. So I think all of you understood this. Thank you. Have a nice day.